Let's call a special meeting of the Hinkley Township Board of Trustees to order on Friday, May 30, 2025, at 12:10 PM for the purpose of opening bids for the township request for proposal for a hosted VoIP-based telephony system. Call the roll. Asherle has an excused absence. Engelmann?
Here.
Sweattick here. Okay.
All right. Start with these envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, looks like there's 2.
There you go.
Oh, wonderful.
Do you have any kind of log to record?
I just have a piece of notepaper.
Yeah.
Okay, there's 7 copies, so I think it looks like they may have submitted 2 proposals. Each proposal needed to be its own packet. I'm gonna go with the right answer. All right. First one is a proposal from
I'll
BN,
get you over here.
okay, BN Team / FirstCom. You might as well just keep this copy for you.
Okay.
Okay, so there's no one-time cost. These are monthly per seat costs, per phone costs. And based on the different packages. So UC standard $650 monthly, UC mobility $850 monthly, a basic seat for voice service for analog line and paging system $5 monthly. Equipment price 2-port analog voice fax gateway rental $2 a month.
These look like totals down here on the bottom of the page 31.
Ah, okay. So a monthly total of $668 and no cents, and a one-time cost of $125. The
I
next,
think these all go together, or is this?
You can keep that one for your copy. The next one is BN team / go to. I'm seeing on page 33 for total is, again, this would be a monthly cost, $675.58.
58.
I don't, I'm not seeing
No, I
any,
don't see a one-time.
I don't see a one-time cost,
Hmm.
but let me page through here yet. Oh, wait a minute, let's see. Actually, there's a second quote.
Now, what is the five? See, there's a 562 number in there now.
Yeah. They've given a couple options. So actually, 562.88 is the first option, includes purchase of all hardware. Option 2 is the other number I gave you, which was the 675.58. I think these are all the go-to. I just want to make sure before I move on to the next one.
Oh, they packaged same one on 3 times. Is that what it did?
What's that?
They packaged the same one in 3 different envelopes. Yeah. Or no?
7 copies, and they put each copy in its own
Okay.
envelope, so
Okay.
it's the same one. So there's 2 proposals from BN team. Okay, next is,
So one is first com and the other's go to. Is that correct?
that's right.
Very good.
All right, next is business BCS, Business Communication Specialist. Let's see. Okay, and so they have, let's see. Tab 12 will have your summary. Oh, it's actually behind us. It looks like page 27. So page 27, there is a monthly cost of $7.95.
Well, is that monthly? It says total initial amount.
Monthly recurring services.
Oh, I see.
$7.
Okay, very good.
Well, where are you seeing the initial?
Down here, this is total initial amount on the gray.
Oh, yeah, I think it's just monthly recurring service. Mm. Last one is TTX.
Is it just TTX or is there?
Yeah.
So this says Ring Central.
Yeah, that's the system they're proposing, I guess.
Okay,
That's, you know, it's
this
like,
is BCS though, correct?
that's BCS. So like the BMT, they're proposing the go-to system and then the other
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
So. Thank you for your, oh. Original copy. That's the original one. Just give you. Yeah. So, let's see, tab 12, tab cost. I think if you look on page 27, you've got a total. It looks like 742.98 monthly cost. And then they have a one-time fee of 2,202.98, 2202.98. Okay,
We will obviously have to review these.
yes, I'll be meeting with the police and fire department on Monday, so we can start their review to see what the departments feel about what's presented. We'll have to look through them to make sure that we're actually got an apples to apples comparison in terms of services. And go from there. So, just for the record, there was a fourth vendor that attended the mandatory bidders meeting. They emailed me yesterday indicating they would not be providing hard copy bids and therefore understanding they would be disqualified. They emailed me a copy of what they would have submitted for reference, but doesn't count. So
Got it.
I just wanted to make a note of that.
Okay,
Other than that, I think we're all set.
all right. I will move to adjourn at 12:25 PM.
A second.
Second by Engelmann, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.